lot of interesting information there. You mentioned it. Snow was a word.
What?
Yes.
That Prater mentioned.
I can't believe it.
Jamie's talking about
It can't
snow?
be real.
Is it going to happen?
Yeah.
That's what we want to find out, Mark Prater.
I tried turning it around on you just for a second. Well, we do have the potential for a few snow flurries, but that would be about the extent of it. Our weather pattern's just not going to be supportive of a decent shot at snow, but still, early in the morning on Sunday, you might have a couple to look at as you're headed out the door to church. Here are Storm Track weather headlines. Drizzle will continue into tonight, and mainly mist as well as low cloud cover. Possible flurries, as I mentioned, early on Sunday morning and again on Monday morning, not out of the question. And then Arctic air begins to arrive by early Monday. Temperatures range from 53 now in Birmingham down to Alabaster, 54 in Tuscaloosa, but the cooler air trapped in the valleys of northeast Alabama, 48 for Pell City. You're the cool spot now in Gadsden at 47, and these temperatures won't drop a whole lot more throughout the course of the night tonight. Now the rain which we had, well, that has already exited stage right and well to the north and east of us, moving through Raleigh. As a matter of fact, there's that low pressure system that continued to bring us light rain, and we're on the back side of that. And traditionally during the winter months, it's not uncommon with temperatures a bit cooler that we still have cloud cover that lingers, but none of the rain is lingering other than those patches of drizzle scattered through the area, so you might have to use the wipers periodically if you're headed out tonight. Storm Track Futurecast. Well, the chance of showers, it's going to linger, but again, this is going to be very light, not amounting to a whole lot. Tomorrow, we start out with maybe a little sunshine. But throughout the day, the cloud cover will quickly start to build back in. It's one of those days where we call it variably cloudy, where at times it will be pleasant and then the clouds will fill right in within the next hour or two. And that cloud cover carries right into early Sunday morning. Notice there wasn't a whole lot in the way of precipitation there, and that's a good sign that what we do have will be a few flurries squeezed out of the cloud cover that passes. Sunday looks pretty good, though. It is going to be much cooler, and with a northwesterly breeze, it's going to feel like it did a couple of weekends ago, where that temperature is feeling as if it's in the upper 30s and lower 40s. Here's a look at the temperature range, weather where you live. Our numbers overnight tonight, well, we're looking at numbers a bit cooler into our north and west counties, upper 30s to low 40s, and then during the day tomorrow, we'll have the temperatures back into the 50s. But if you look at our forecast for East Alabama, the numbers, again, not really dropping down a whole lot. We'll see some spots maybe hit upper 30s in northeast Alabama, but then tomorrow we warm back up a bit with some of that sunshine, and then that next wave will pass through here. I wanted to show you the color contour map, and notice the blue where we have a lot of the colder air, and then the white. Well, that first wave of cloud cover will be associated with that front that passes through. There's the very cold air. Now, we will stay chilly, but then watch this chunk right there. Look at that. That's a very strong push of cold air that is headed towards the south and east that eventually will have an impact on us here on Monday. Speaking of which, it's a holiday, 38, a few flurries, no problems, and then 43 and sunny with a chance of rain back in here next week, but we will be just above freezing, so it will be a